Hello everybody, hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to be teaching the basics of creating a website using WordPress, making a website using WordPress, building a website, any adjective you want to put in front of it. It's very simple steps to follow. If you follow these steps and practice, you can become a pro web developer using WordPress. That's the truth about it. But I'm just going to give you a tip of the iceberg in this video. Just the basics, how to get a domain name and web hosting, how to install WordPress, and I'm going to be using WhoGoHost as my web host. It's a very reliable platform. I've used it for a couple of years and they've never failed me yet. For local and international websites, I strongly recommend them. The link is in my bio, so just click on the link and get your web domain. That's your web name, your URL, and your hosting. Then just follow the steps, very simple steps, and you're good to go. But this is just the first video in a series of videos that I'll be doing. There's a couple serious videos I'll be doing related to web designing, websites, blogs, and I'll also teach you on the next one how to use the Elementor web builder for WordPress and the Divi web builder from WordPress. But for this one, we are just using WordPress without any builder, just basic WordPress websites with WordPress. So just stick around and enjoy it. So if you check on my bio, you will see a link, and the link is bit.ly.com link here. It's my affiliate link, so please use it. So as an affiliate, I get commissions every time you use it, so please use it. But if you don't want to use it, there's no problem at all. You're free not to use it. So the URL looks like this: bit.ly/audifree domain. So that's how it looks like in my bio. You just click on it and it will take you to the web page. I'm in West Africa, Nigeria, and data is quite fast. This internet is quite fast, I guess. So let's just check how fast it is by using fast.com, used globally. So let's see how many Mbps we get, megabytes per second we get today. So hopefully, okay, today is about 3.4, which is really slow. As at this time yesterday, I was enjoying about 13 Mbps. So I hope there's no problem with Globe tonight. But this is fast enough to do the job we have to do tonight. 3.5 is fast enough. So it has opened the website. So when you click on that link, this is the page it takes you to. It takes you to the whogohost.ng page. So you can type in WhoGoHost, WHOGOHOST. WhoGoHost is the pidgin English form of saying who will host me, or who will be my host. WhoGoHost, who will host. So you just come here. If you have a domain name, fine, you just go to hosting. If you do not have a domain name, fine, this is the same platform. From this same page, you're going to get the domain name and the hosting. I suggest you do them together. So for the tutorials, we are going to use the cPanel hosting, which is about 500 naira per month. Sincerely speaking, this is good enough for a starter, good enough for a simple website. It's good enough, but I'm not discouraging you. You can go ahead and do any other plan. So you just press the get started, click on get started, and it will give you these options. The Aspire is 500 naira monthly, which is about $1 and a few cents monthly. The Premium is less than $2 monthly. The Pro is about $2 monthly. So in a year, using this plan, I will be using my the naira equivalent, please. I will not use the dollar equivalent, although you can pay in naira, US dollars, Kenyan shillings, and Ghana cedis. But for this tutorial, we're going to use naira because naira is the currency in Nigeria, and I'm in Nigeria at the moment. You can pay in dollars, you can pay in any currency in the world. Once you use PayPal, you can pay them. So for the tutorial, we're going to use the Aspire 500 Naira monthly plan. So if you pay for a year, you're going to have a 20% discount. So 500 times 12 months is 6,000, but you're going to be paying 5,000 Naira because you paid for a year at a time. Paid for 1 year at a time. But if you choose to be paying every month, you end up paying, you lose that discount. And I suggest, if you're really serious going into the web, building a website, at least you should be ready to run for 3 years, be it a website, blog, whatever business, whatever it is. So I would suggest you do 3 years at a stretch. But if not, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to do 1 year. We're going to use the 500 Naira plan, and we're just going to do it for 1 month. So here you can use an existing domain, transfer a domain, or register a new domain. I have registered the domain we are going to use for this tutorial, but I will show you how to go about it. Make sure you delete this example there, or else it's going to remain there. So I've deleted the example. Then I am using, this is the domain name I did, rccg exosia dynamis lekki.xyz. So that's the one I used, and you can just come here and type in this rccg exosia dynamis. If I do .ng, it will be available, because I'm sure nobody has bought this. So it's available for 9,500 Naira per annum every year. If I switch the extension from ng to .africa and check, it should still be available. So it's available. .africa is available for 13,000 Naira. We have .com for 4,700. We have .ng, we just check that. .online for 1,600 Naira for the first year. .tech, this is not a tech, this looks like a church stuff. So you can use .com, .i, .africa. I think there's also .church. There's .church, but it's not very popular. Let's see if we can get that .church. Let's see how much they want to take. So rccg exosia dynamis assigned .church is about 13,800 Naira. 13,800 Naira is about $30. Yeah, $25. 25 to $30 for a year for the domain name. Have it in mind that this is if you're doing .church, because this church website I'm building in this test is another. So whatever organization you want to use, but I know a lot of religious organizations, be it Islamic religious organization, Buddhist organization, whatever, or Christian organization, they always want to use the .org. And if you use the .org, it's going to cost you just 5,900, almost 6,000 Naira per annum. But the one I bought is .xyz, and it cost me 600 Naira for my first year. From the second year, I'm going to pay 6,000 a year. But this is not, if I say register a new domain, it will tell me it has been taken already, because I am the one that have it, so it's unavailable. But if I click, I will use my existing domain, update server name server, and I go and press that same, it will show you something different. It's ready, it's available. So it gives me straight to the pay platform. Automatically it takes you to the 1 year fee, and if you click this for 1 year, your domain is free. So that's why I said free domain, so I'm not lying. If you click the 1 year, the domain comes to you for free. If you click for 2 years, the domain is free. And if you click for 3 years, you get more discounts and a free domain. More discounts and a free domain. So for 3 years, you're just going to pay 14,800. So if you're a web developer, encourage your clients to pay for 3 years, so it will help you to get more money from the deal. But because of our tutorial tonight, we are going to do the 1 month plan. So once you click continue, it will give you the pay options. So if I wasn't, so automatically, if you're going for the one, you're not supposed to, you won't pay for the domain name, just like this. So you just get the total due for me is 500. So assuming that I got the domain name for free, but average my next 500 is a monthly hosting. So they want to put some add-ons, secure your website, daily website backup, okay, all those many things. Don't need them. Then billing details, my billing details are already here, so I'm going to cut this part of the video so that I don't see my billing details. But I'll open from this part, so you can see the options. You can pay with Pay Stack, you can pay with Quick Teller using your MasterCard anywhere in the world, of F card. You can pay with your GT737. I use that very often. I use it a lot. You can do the RAV. You also use MasterCard. You can do a Kenya bank transfer. I can do a PayPal, but PayPal charges in US dollars. So anywhere you are in the world, the equivalent of your currency to the US dollar, if you're in the US. So I'm going to do the payment, then I'm going to come back and show you the messages I'm going to receive in my email. So you just put in your payment details. I'm going to call that part again, because always remember to click this I have read and agreed to terms of condition. If you do not click it, you can't go further. So once you do that, let's meet on the other side of the page. So we are back. So once I made the payment, I got an email from WhoGoHost. You can see the WhoGoHost. This is my invoice payment for the whole transaction. My invoice after paying. My hosting details. Let's check our hosting details. So these are my hosting details. And we're going to click this so that will link on the cPanel. So while that is loading, let me quickly show you some stuff here. So when you come, if you go back here, you see that they sent me several messages. My cPanel, my Google, my Jack. So all of them are important. Don't delete them. Save them somewhere and use them when necessary. Don't just delete them and throw them away. I don't need them. No. Information is here. So when you click on that link to the cPanel, it takes you here. So you go back there, copy the password, the username from here. Then I'm going to change the username. Copy the username, the password, so you go to your email and copy the password. Control C or Command C on your Mac, then Control C on your Windows or Command C on your Mac. Then the login. It authenticates, login successful, and redirects you here. So you look at it your primary domain is RCCG. Make sure that this is showing you primary domain, your certificate. Make sure you have it registered. Save your username and password somewhere. So this is your cPanel. I'm going to teach you how to do your own emails later, not in this video. I'll do another video so you can have admin@yourwebsite.com, secretary@yourwebsite.com, marketing@yourwebsite.com. This is a church. You have pastor@thewebsite.com. For example, this RCCG is a pastor@rccg. They can say secretary@rccg. If you want to, the choir can have an email, say choir@rccg.com. Ushers can have ushers@rccg.com. I'll teach you how to do that from the cPanel. Many web developers charge for each one. I charge to sometimes a handsome amount of money, as much as 50,000 naira per one. So just when you come to the cPanel, just scroll down to softwares. When you get to the software, you see Software Plus App Installer. So you go and click it. Don't come here and press this one. This one you should press. So when you click on it, so it will load this page. Don't stress yourself. Don't do any other thing. Don't come and show your talent. Just come and install WordPress. So when you click on install WordPress, you just come here. Make sure that this extension is blank. That page. This is the latest update of WordPress. So that's it. Make sure this is http // this is the protocol choosing. This is the secure protocol. Your site automatically has SSL on it. This is the proper HTTP protocol for the security or authentication of your website. Please, people charge for the SSL. You've got it automatically free. You have a certificate for it in your email. So this is your website. Make sure it's correct. Make sure in directory there's nothing there. Come here. This is my blog. You can now name it whatever you want to name it. You can name it. Let me name it RCCG Exuzia Dynamics Lekki. Then this place that is my blog, we can change it to something else. Maybe like since this is a church website, can say welcome to church. uh, so that's just it. Then admin password, I'm going to change the password so you don't have access to it. So I'm going to off this side so you don't see it, so you don't go hacking my stuff. So get a very solid password. Then the admin, there's a place for admin email. Instead of using this, since you've not set up the admin email, you can use your own email address. Straight up select language, whatever your language is. Mine is English, so select any language you are using. Then come here, and this is email installation details. So always put an active email, so your installation details will be sent to that email. So you install. Remember that once you install, it will take about 2 to 3 minutes, sometimes less than that, to install full. So that's it. They will send you an email notifying you that you've installed it and you have your automatic SSL certificate installed already, or SSL renewed for this domain name, so your website is safe. So if you charge your client, you collect money from him. The certificate has the following properties. It expires on the 28th of March, and we are in December 2020, so this is 28th of March 2021. The domain name, this is my domain name. The country name is US. So when you're using WhoGoHost, you're using a very reliable web host because your base is in the US. So let's just go to our website straight up and see what's there. So you can just click on the website. So you get the email from your cPanel on Google cPanel, and here we send you an email with your SSL certificate and other things. So just go down here, and once you click on your name, it will take you to your WordPress website. And any person that clicks on your web URL, your website, your name, your URL, it will take them to this page. So they'll see this page. Very clean, very decent, very okay website. But this is not how this is not presentable. So you just press /wp-admin, then press enter. It'll take you to the admin section of your website. So this is how the admin section look like. Then let's open the normal website's front. So this is the front, how it looks, and this is the back, how it looks. The front of your website, where everybody will see, apart from this black bar, they see this and this. Then you see this. So this is where you need to get used to. This is the WordPress dashboard. So quickly, so that this video will not be too long, you can customize your site from here. You can customize. So the first thing we are going to do is to go to the settings and go to permalinks. That's what we're here for. We'll go to permalinks first. We've already got our SSL, we have our website. We go to permalinks and change it to post name sharply. Post name. Once you do that, you save changes immediately. After I change to the permalinks to post name, you save changes. It makes your website look professional. Then you come to pages. No, I'm not doing pages yet. You now come to appearance, then themes. There are a lot of themes on WordPress. So these are the themes in my WordPress, and the one that I'm using now is 2021. This is the one that is active right now, active 2021. And when this is what it looks like. If you're a blogger and you just want to work with this, you can go ahead and start editing on this. But I don't want to work with this because I'm doing a church website, and this is a church template. You can add more templates. Just go to add new. You can upload a template you've already bought from other websites. You can buy templates, or you use this one. There's Astra already. Let's look for another theme. You can just browse through this Which theme do we like? I think I like this. Correct light. I think I like it. I like this one too. Nature and the background. Welcome. You can edit and can change. They can change the pictures. Can change everything on the website. You can change everything. Let's just use this one. Let's install this one. Correct light. Let's install it. Let's activate. So we've already activated active correct light. So let's come customize it. So like I said, you can do it with any of your websites. So this is the name RCCG Ezia Dynamis Lekki Home and Sample Welcome. So this is what we have here. So you just come to site identity. That's the, instead of just another website that is here, you can write welcome to church. Welcome to church. It helps people to know that this is a church website. People that don't know that RCCG Ezia Dynamis Lekki means church. So this welcome to church will help them know that this is a church website. Site icon is like the logo for your church. So we can use this logo. We should have all these things ready. Select it immediately. So site icon is like the favicon. We don't need to crop the image, do we? It looks okay in my eyes. It looks okay to me. Very okay. Let's just crop and use. So that's it there. Then site logo, select logo. I use that as the logo of the church, but it has already gone for site icon. So let's look for something else. You can see church logo. This looks too wide and too flat for church logo. Church logo also is a little bit smaller. We'll use the favicon again. We'll use this one. Let's use it for both the site logo and the site icon. Yeah, let's use it. How am I uploading it twice? I don't need to upload it twice. I didn't need to upload it twice. I can try to delete it. Then use this one. See, the part is giving me. Oh, so I'll just use this part. Crop image. And I can put the logo to replace the name of the church. I don't want it to replace the name of the church. So I prefer the name of the church. So we have the name of the church. We have a favicon now. If you look here, and I can see that it has changed to the logo we used. So that's the church. So I think this is the first part that is good. Then you can press here to see how it looks like on a tab and how it looks like on a phone. And this looks neat. We are doing a good job. So we go back. We don't site the site color. I like the color of the site. I don't want to change anything. I don't want background image. Menus. So we can do menus. We've not created menus yet. So create pages so we can do menus. Then come to pages. Pages. Trash this. Pages. Move to trash. Apply. Don't need them, so add new pages. So the first page name will be home, all in capital. When you get home, you can add an image, give you swag, rounded image. Then we can come down, home. You can put that as our home. Welcome to our church. Then you can add some text to it. Just come here, add some text already that I want to use. So you need content, so please, you need to have the content already, what you're going to write on the site. So let's stop here. So this is the content for the home page. After this, you can still add another image again. I'll still add more images. You can see continue after this point, but let's leave it like this for the neatness of our site. So that is the first page published. For those of you that don't know what we did, I just took you back and forth. Update. So the page is ready. Then you come back to WordPress, add another page apart from home. What other page are we going to add? We are going to add about us. About us. You can put a picture too. Upload one about us. Let's see. Let's put this one, the mom and baby, on the about us page. Then you can write a caption for it in bold, italics, or put a link, something that they'll click and take them to another. Then you can add other stuff to it, but let's just write caption to it. We already have some stuff here that we're going to use for about us, so stop about us, stop here. No, let's stop about us here. Copy, paste, Ctrl V to paste, publish. So we have two pages now: home, about us. Let's go back here, add another. We have home, about us. Let's add a new page, contact us. Every church needs people to contact them, so just start writing. So you can have a plugin that will you just insert here now, put the link here, and a form will come out for people to fill. Once they fill and send, it arrives at your email, or you can put your contact, your proper contact. You can put your phone number, you can put your email, you can put your address. But you can still put that form if you like. So once you put them, you publish. This is your contact us page and it's live. Then you can go back to WordPress, add another page. You can have gallery or events. Let's call it events. Basically there will be pictures there, so you can press gallery, upload some pictures, or upload a media gallery. From media gallery, we don't have much there, so we just upload pictures straight from our desktop. So what do we have to upload? So let's upload this. I just upload this 5. So when you upload them, it comes out like this, beautifully arranged in a very wonderful way. You can also add a caption to describe the event. If it's Sunday service, if it's a outing, if it's an evangelism program, you write about it there, how many souls were won, and stuff like that. Just put it there. So that's that. So publishing my event page also. This can be event, can be gallery, whatever. You can see after doing that, you can still come down here and add more pictures and write more things. You can continue to write. This page can be quite long, so we didn't do anything so much. So after this, we can add online giving or donations. So you can name it donations, or you can name it online giving, or offerings, or tithe and offerings. Any name you want to give it, you give it. But me, I want to name mine online giving because that's the way they call it in Redeem Christian Church of God. So here you can sign up with Paystack and have an account. Then just put the link on Paystack here. If you do not know how to do it, please, if you have seen this video up to this point, please subscribe, share with your friends and family. That's the only way you can support me now. Then you can use the link to do your own website. Everything you're seeing here for 1 year will cost me less than 11,000 naira. So do your own website for 11,000. If you consult web developers like myself, none of us will take anything less than 180,000 naira to do the website for you. Yes, it might be a little bit neater and more professional than this, but this is a learning curve for you. If you're young or young at heart, you can add this to your skills already. So if you want, you can put your Paystack plugin here, or PayPal, or any payment platform the church is registered with. So donations will come from here straight there. So if you want to know how to do the Paystack thing, just put it in the comment section and I can help you set it up. I will show you how to do it. I will do a video on how to do that. So now we have pages all published. We have pages all published. Let's see if they will show on our website. They are there: home, about us, contact us, event, home, online giving. This first home is the home that was there originally. This second home is our own home. So we just come here and customize the website. Don't be afraid to customize. So site identity, we've worked on that already. Header image. Let's see. Let's add an image. Let's add an image. Let's add this image. It's not fine, so let's remove that one. No image. Except this idea right here is good. It makes it easily compatible with any device. This is the sample of how a mobile phone will look like. This is how a tab will look like, and this is how it looks like on a desktop. 70 to 80% of the visitors on this site will use their mobile phone, so they should be your primary concern. So that image will not favor us. So now let's go to the menus. Let's arrange the menu. Create a new menu, name it probably headers, primary menu. Next, headers. Then you add what I add in. This one is not part of it. The first one is our own home. Our home is capital letter home. The next one is after home. What should be the next thing? Events. Let's do event next. After events, about us, online giving, then contact us. Yeah, online giving, then contact us. Now if you want to rearrange them, you just come here, pick whatever you want to remove, put it here. So event comes first, about us second, online giving, but home is what I want to put first. So home comes first, event second. Look here, you see home, event, about us. If I move the home from here to change, an event will now be first. So this is how I want it, and I publish. Once I publish, it changes. Then let's see what else we'll do. So we started customizing. So we already have home page, events page, about us page, online giving. Put the Paystack there, you just see the link to online giving. Then contact us. Then you have prayer requests. So the title of that form can be prayer request or other information. So let's come back to customize. Scroll down. home page setting. Your last post static page, we put static page. And which page will be the static page? Our home page is our static page. So anytime when it opens your website, this is what they see on tab, on phone, and the desktop you are using. Don't forget to publish. So this is what differentiates a website from a blog. So a static page is a website. Your latest post is a blog. So we come to widgets. Then this is blogger slider. We don't need this for our website. So what we do is we remove them. Metadata, we remove it. It will go from under. Categories, you remove it. Archives, you remove it. Recent comments, you remove it. Recent posts, you remove it. Search bar, you remove it. Then publish. So if among this there is a page for recent posts, so let's put it on events. So anytime you want to put a post, it appears on events. It appears on events, published. So you do your footer too, but we're not doing that footer now. Publish everything that published. So now go to WordPress proper. So just come to the dashboard, then look for that small home that refuses to go. So guys, basically you have a website, lovely looking website. I checked it on my phone. It was looking very good. So that's the website. You just visit the website, looking very fine. On your device, you don't see this black line. You just see, as it says here, Lekki, with the blue background. Welcome to church. The whole page. Anyone you hover on, we change color to black. Then this stuff say if you upgrade the theme, it gets out of there, but no one will have access to it. You can also do the footer. I didn't do the footer in this one where you put your social media handles. Have it in mind that you can also put your social media handles in the contact us. In the contact us page side, you can put your social media handles. So contact us, online giving, about us, events, home, in the church website. So that's just it. So I'll call this a day. This is our website. This is our normal website. Thank you so much for staying with me. Please subscribe, ask questions. I'm not done with websites. This is an intro. Know the intro, understand the intro very well. Your communication in the comment section will help guide me in the next line of action to do. But I'm going to do another one with Elementor, a website builder. I'm also going to do another one with DV. In the space of 2 weeks, I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to do a blog for those of us that want to blog. Then I'm also going to do an e-commerce website. Depending on how you request. But I know I'm going to do the building the website, Elementor and DV. I just thought this for newbies, people that don't have any idea already. Somebody that knows tech will be laughing at this video that this is simple, this is small stuff now. But for someone that does not have any idea before, this is a big one. You can even start a career on web development if you understand how to use the WordPress dashboard just by practicing and asking questions. I'm always available. You can reach me through any of my contact means, as you can find them on YouTube, or even just putting the question in the comment section. I will get the question. I read all the comments. For now, I don't know if I'll be able to read. I'll be reading all the comments in a few weeks, months, or years from. But for now, I read all the comments and I respond to every comment on my YouTube channel, because I understand that it is more of a tutorial platform. So please feel free to ask your questions there. My reply will also help other people too. I know a lot of my friends, when they see my video, they ask me the questions in my WhatsApp DM and I reply them automatically. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 20 people ask me the same questions. because you didn't ask the question on the platform. If you had asked on YouTube, other people will just see the reply gives to you and won't ask the same question over again. So thank you very much. Please subscribe. I beg you, subscribe. Share the video. Ask all your friends and relatives to subscribe. I want the channel to grow. I'm targeting 2,000 subscribers in the next few weeks. So please help me. Subscribe, please. Thank you very much and have a blessed time. See you in the next video.